Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 15th April 2026, Nifty Index opened gap down by around 540 points due to dampened global cues, but picked up strength right from the first tick and recovered above 23,900 levels. It consolidated towards the end but recouped most of its intraday losses and formed a bullish candle on the daily frame with absorption of any supply pressure in the market. Now, India VIX was up by 8.8% to 20.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio remained unchanged at 1.13. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,300 to 24,300 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,244 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,052 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 21.8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to now hold above 24,000 for the next up move towards 24,500, while support can be seen at 23,700. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,500 for the next up move towards 57,000 levels, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 55,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in JSW Energy, MCX, Solar Industries, HDFC Life, Voltas, Blue Star, IRDA, DMart and Sonacoms, while some weakness could be seen in Swiggy, United Spirits, Pidilite, Infosys and Biocon. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.